Head back into your code, and inside of your app.js file, we want to add this.alexa skill.show account linking card. What this is going to do is if a customer does not already have their account linked with their authentication provider of choice, it's going to show them an account linking card. In addition, it'll also say, please link your account by opening up the Alexa app. So once customers are interacting with their Echo devices and they try to open up the Smart Lock application, it'll prompt them. Alexa will say, please sign in using the Alexa app. So once customers go and open up their Alexa app, they'll see a tab on the page that they can use to sign in using our OAuth application. We can go back into our Amazon Developer Console into the test page to test our app and see that everything works as expected. Once we start our application, we can see that we're prompted to please link our account by opening the Alexa app on our mobile device. Opening up the Alexa app on your mobile device, you can see the tab where our skill sent an account linking request to my mobile app. Clicking on the link account button will take us over to our OAuth, where we can sign in with our authentication provider of choice. You have now added account linking to both your Smart Lock Google action and your Smart Lock Alexa skill. Congratulations.